how to guarantee a straight line cut. So obviously measured, I've got my dots here with all my measurements, a square on there, make sure it's nice and flush, line up with the dots and then draw a line. Once you've got your line drawn, you can then pull your square off the line, grab your saw, and then you see that straight line where it lines up, the saw lines up with the line. You can put your square alongside it, basically travel up along the line, square stay nice and flush, and when you do that, the blade would also meet the line as well. So when you cut, hold the square nice and tight to the wood, and then that saw will travel along the edge of the square, cutting a nice straight line. And then if you run your square along there, you've got a nice flush cut.